are you? Today, Camila, my granddaughter, and I, hi Camila!
Hi!
We are going to make popsicles, fruit popsicles. We are going to use mango, but you can use the fruit that you prefer. So, we're gonna use mango, 1 bowl, 1 spoon, food processor, 1/2 cup of sugar, and of course, popsicle molds.
Popsicle molds.
Yes. This is gonna be delicious. Right, Camila? Almost done. We are going to cover the food processor and we are going to mix it, blend it. Okay, hold it. Hold it. Perfect. Okay, next step. Make sure to have an adult to help you with the food processor, okay? Because the blades can be sharp. Okay, let me help you with this. And can you help me, Camila? Yes. Remember, put it close to the bowl. Yes, now we are going to pour in the sugar into the bowl to mix it with the fruit. Okay, Camila, let's do it. And you're gonna mix it. Okay? And Camila is so good in doing that. Very good. Okay, once you fill it up, you're gonna clean the edges around and you're gonna put the sticks and they're ready to go to the freezer. Okay?